Hi guys, this is a very short one and it's very impromptu. I just want to share my lunch. I got some fusilli I started cooking. Those are the little spiralies, and I'm checking out my pasta. I already see they're different than ones I have from another brand. This is the good one. We'll see if the bronze die cut pasta, works better and tastes better. They claim everything on the package. This is the best of the best. And it says cooks in 10 minutes or Italian style, 8 minutes. So I've set a timer for 8 minutes. I'm going to be sauteing some shrimp. These are pink shrimp, which are sweeter and delicious. I happen to love them. I got them once at Whole Foods, tasted them, and they're delightful. There are white shrimp, there are pink shrimp, there are gold shrimp, there are tiger shrimp. There's many types of shrimp. So once you find your favorite, you'll see what I mean. I have a small pan here I'm going to put on. She set a timer for 8 minutes, so I'm trying to get the shrimp close to it. And Alexa said that the myth or the reasoning about don't cook shrimp more than 3 minutes, that is for boiling water, where it cooks faster and hotter. In a pan or I almost was going to do it in the air fryer. She said it doesn't require the same amount of time. Requires more time, because she said 6 minutes when I said, how long do I cook them in the air fryer? Because I've never done it, and my air fryer is newer and bigger. And she said 6 minutes. And I said, well, what about the myth of not cooking them beyond 3 minutes or they'll get rubbery? And that's when she said, that means in boiling water. Again, me burping into this microphone. Excuse me, forgive me. I'm not feeling my best. I'm going to do in butter today. This is Kerrygold Irish butter with olive oil. I'm doing something different for my shrimp. Want to check it out? I'm going to wait. No, because let's see. Give me myself a minute. Let's see. They're going to need at least 6 more minutes. And I think this will cook in 5. So we'll start this in another minute. It's 2:32. Let me make sure I got everything ready and out. Let's put a little bit of pepper. Okay. My stomach is fritzy today. I had said to you guys I have a quick spontaneous upcoming trip, and Vinny caught me off guard. And the truth be told, most people get excited and thrilled, but not me. I just got back from New York, so I'm not the type to be like, oh, yay! That's just not me. A little bit more. What am I looking for? Paprika. A little bit of paprika. I'm not going to put paprika. The garlic is enough. Butter, garlic, salt, pepper, and parsley, and a little bit of the lemon. Yeah, so I'm just, my stomach, I get a nervous stomach, so to speak, when that stuff happens to me. Good news makes me nervous even. Isn't that terrible? No sympathy for me. I get upset to go on vacation. Ha ha. I got some wings thawing out for Vincent's dinner. We're going to put them in the air fryer with the new liners he bought me. For dinner, if I feel well enough, I'm going to try some pork chops in the air fryer. I'm going to marinate that. But this is my lunch. All right, that's got a good enough head start. Let's roll here. Okay. I could put a little bit of fresh garlic. Let me see what I got here available to me. I'm not really prepared, but I'm going to put some fresh. I'm only making 1 cup for me, a 1 cup portion of pasta. Vinny's not going to eat this. Garlic, just let it get 30 seconds. As soon as it gets aromatic, you put your shrimp in. Probably could put a splash of wine if I want. You could do this so many ways. I'm going to keep it fairly simple today because of my tummy. I'm not going to go berserko. And if you like this recipe, it's a quick one for you to see. It's kind of a quick scampi. Shrimp scampi, a very fast shrimp scampi. And then we just have to add the pasta in when they're done. We put the parsley toward the end. A little bit of squeeze of lemon. Let me get a Scott towel. And that's what I'm doing today. A simple one, a real simple one. Let me get that wine out, guys, just to have a splash in case I don't want anything to burn. Very little bit of that. Check the pasta. It's coming along, but it's got a ways to go. They're doing great. I got my wine. I get my lemon. I'm running out of lemons. I got some cheese. I know a lot of people don't like cheese on their seafood. That's a whole controversy. Oh, my nose is itchy. Just at the tip. What a weirdness. Okay, let's start to turn them. And the garlic is getting a little bit browned. Okay. They will certainly cook through. Not worried about that. And I'll put the lemon and parsley toward the end. Just a light squeeze. Like I said, my tummy was a little fritzy. I like mine in a bowl. There's 8 minutes. Alexa, cancel. Now they say Italy al dente is 8 minutes. I'm going to give it the 2 more minutes because I like it softer for 10 minutes. And I could just feel it on the spoon that it's not where I want it. Yeah, I'm going to give it the 2 more minutes. And this is a perfect timing. Oh, and another thing she said, which I've always known is the indication that your shrimp are cooked when they completely curl up. That tells that they're cooked all the way through when they lock up in a curl, which these are doing now, you see? It's been more than 3 minutes. So I'm going to trust Alexa's judgment on this. She made the right call. Let's add a little bit of the lemon. Woo! I have this too high is what I have it on. Let's add in the parsley. That's enough of that. Just move it off the heat. Let's say that's done. Turn that off. Vinny's going to kill me. He just cleaned the whole stove with his razor and his stuff. You think I'm clean. He goes behind me. Alrighty. Let's put our pasta right in now. Let me get this out. Mamma mia. That look good. That look good. Don't that look good? Get that. Those shrimp. Beautiful. Now the pasta is perfect. I'll plate it. Put a little cheese on it. Get all that garlic, butter, wine, and juice out. Put a little bit more pepper and some cheese, please. And there is Mama's lunch. A simple yet satisfying, fast scampi shrimp styled fast scampi. Let me tip the camera a little bit lower so you can see a little bit better the food. Okay, look at that. Piping hot, pink shrimp. They're sweeter, more delicious. And I just did this in the pan, fast seasoned shrimp, thawed out, about 5 minutes, grill them up. They're ready when they curl. You see they're all curled? And enjoy. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching this quick impromptu video.